Hi guys, this is Ratish Ranjan Misra, your physics teacher. I will teach you electricity today. Electricity is a type of energy which is carried by wires. Actually, it is the association of charges at rest or in motion interacting together. Electricity has two types. First is called static electricity and second is called current electricity. Whenever the charges interacting together make an association and when they are at rest, it is called static electricity. But whenever the charges in motion and interacting together make their association, it is called current electricity. Current electricity is widely used in our daily life. Most of the devices run through current electricity. Heavy machines, industries, they also use current electricity. A static electricity is also a type of electricity which cannot be transmitted over large distances. At this stage, you also know that what is a charge. Charge is the physical property of matter that causes it to experience a force when it is placed in electromagnetic field. Charges has two types. One is called positive charge and second is called negative charge. Charge is produced by three ways, either by induction or by conduction or by friction. Whenever a charged body is brought in the direct contact of an uncharged body, the uncharged body gets charged. It is called conduction. And whenever a charged body is brought in the neighborhood of an uncharged body, the uncharged body gets charged. This method is called induction. And whenever two certain substances are rubbed together and electrons get transferred to another substance from one substance, this method of production of charge is called friction or production of charge by rubbing. The focus of this chapter is on electric current and several other terms, electric potential, potential difference as well. So we will discuss all the terms one by one. Electric current is the continuous flow of electrons. The flow of electric charges across a cross section of conductor, it constitutes an electric current. It is defined as the rate of flowing of charges through a conductor in unit time. It is given by I equals Q by T. It is measured by a device called ammeter and measured by an unit named ampere in SI unit. We shall have to define 1 ampere of electric current as well. 1 ampere of electric current is the amount of electric current which is produced by the flow of 1 coulomb of charge through a cross section of conductor in unit time. In unit time, that is 1 second. This electric current flows by convention from positive terminal to negative terminal. It is opposite to the direction of flow of electrons. Actually, electrons flow from negative terminal to positive terminal, and electric current is known as the continuous flow of electrons. So the actual direction of flowing of electric current is from negative terminal to positive terminal. But as per convention, it is considered that electric current flows from positive terminal to negative terminal. The flow of electric current is also given as from the higher potential level to lower potential level. Electric current flows from a point which is at higher potential level to a point which is at lower potential level. So we shall also know what is an electric potential. An electric potential is the work done by bringing unit positive charge from infinity to a point placed in an electrical field. In this way it is given by V equals W by Q. V refers to electric potential, W refers to electrical work done, and Q refers to electric charge. This is a physical quantity which is measured in SI unit by volt. Now we have to know what is an electric potential difference. Electrical potential difference is the difference in work done in bringing unit positive charge from one point to another in magnetic field. It is the difference in potentials at two different points. It is also measured in volt. It is very important term because electric potential decides whether electric current will flow through a conductor or not. If there is a potential difference between 2 points, electric current will flow, otherwise it will not flow. This electric potential also gives the direction of flowing of electric current. One point will be at higher potential level and another point will be at lower potential level. That's all for this hour. Bye.